Hey guys, so today I'm going to Cafe Hippie Bus. So join me in for some amazing fun. Also, I'll be giving you guys a complete tour of the cafe and I'll show you what we ordered plus how the ambience of that cafe is, the lighting, the seating, and everything. So let's go! The cafe is on second floor right above cafe wing and it has open terrace seating. Oh god, we got so tired in climbing the stairs. This is so pretty. Just look at this outdoor terrace seating. I mean, this is so cute. Okay, there was some waiting and we finally got a seat after around 10 minutes. And I'll give you guys a closer look of the cafe. I guess the greenery makes it much more beautiful, and moreover the indoor sitting area is also so pleasant. Like, it's not properly indoor, but yes, it's so pretty. So we have ordered our food, but till the time food comes, it's time for some good selfies. So we ordered dry chili paneer, which was actually very tasty but a bit spicy. Then we ordered spring rolls, which were so crisp and so light, like you'll just love them. They were very tasty. And then we ordered chili garlic noodles, which were again a bit spicy. And the portion size was very good, so we could not finish them, so we got them packed. But yes, the Chinese they have is very tasty. So we are done, and as you can see, chili garlic noodles were left. Also, it's around 5 in the evening and they have turned on the lights. Just look at it, how pretty the lighting is. It looks so cool, so cozy. I think the cafe is much prettier in winters than in summers. Just look at it, how pretty the lighting is. So Hippie Bus Cafe is right above Cafe Wing, and you can see it also has such a pretty decor and lighting, and it's one of the most famous cafes in East Delhi, and this is actually full and has waiting. So we had a fun evening. It was a short one, but yes, it was really cute and I totally loved the food. Last time I tried pasta, that was not pretty good, but the Chinese they have is very good. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.